The Prabhupada said, yes, devotees can worship Lord Shiva. And we ask Lord Shiva for a blessing that he bestows upon us the favor of Krishna. Prabhupada goes on. In Bhagavad Gita 7.20 it is said that generally people worship demigods for some material profit. Kamaistaista ritagyana. Driven by material lust, they worship demigods. But a devotee never does so, for he is never driven by material lust. That is the difference between a devotee's respect for Lord Shiva and an asura's respect for Shiva. An asura, he shows great respect to Lord Shiva and worships him very enthusiastically in order to get fulfillment of his material desires. But we show respect to Lord Shiva as the greatest Vaishnava. We pray to him for the blessing. He bestows his mercy upon us that we can attain the service of Krishna. Why do so many ladies worship Lord Shiva? Prabhupada tells 3:23:1. Today in Hindu society, unmarried girls are still taught to worship Lord Shiva with the idea that they may get husbands like him. Lord Shiva is the ideal husband, not in the sense of riches or sense gratification, but because he is the greatest of all devotees. Vaishnavanam yata shambhu. And he constantly meditates on Lord Ram and chants Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari. Sankrshan is Ishtadev. Shiva has a Vaishnava Sampradaya, Vishnu Swami Sampradaya. The girls are not taught to select a husband who is very rich or very opulent for material sense gratification. Rather, if a girl is fortunate enough to get a husband as good as Lord Shiva in bhakti, then her life becomes perfect. The wife is dependent on the husband. If the husband is a Vaishnava, then naturally she shares the devotional service of the husband because she renders him service.